Okay, so before we start cooking, a little update on the garden. Tomatoes started to come up about time. The Brussels, apart from being eaten by snails, they hide underneath the rim of the pot. They're coming up nice. Snap peas. The carrots are coming up. Another tomato. This is courgette. This is garlic. Oh, and these are garlic as well. These are all starting. This is pak choy. This is also being eaten by snails or slugs, but I can't find where they are. Tomatoes, asparagus, nothing doing yet. White onions only put in today. This is little gem lettuces. These are going to be really nice. So be nice when they come up a bit more. Be really tasty. More tomatoes, and these are beans, long beans. And more tomatoes. Purple broccoli started to come up. That's weed. Rainbow chives, really nice. Basil, only just started. Coriander, and this is spinach. Really nice. Oh, a little chives again. So, don't know whether you remember, I've done a little video before where it just started growing. So this is the about, I don't know, 4 weeks after. Oh, and they're potatoes. Coming up lovely. So let's get cooking. Hello and welcome back to the Urban Cook. Today I'm going to be doing a chicken Alfredo with tagliatelle pasta. So I've got some 2 breasts of chicken. I'm going to slice these in half, season with some garlic Italian seasoning. I've got some, instead of cream, I'm going to use cream and mushroom soup, which is really good because I'm not a fan of cream, and so I'm using this instead. Whole button mushrooms, I'm going to cut these in half. Got some ground nutmeg, onion and garlic, and I think there's something else, I can't remember, but I'll probably show you along the way anyway. So first of all, I'm just going to, as I say, cut these. Get a seasoning. Give some a little flip over. Same again. Superb. Get the water on for the pasta. Okay, so these are done. Get these on the plate. And let these rest. Okay, so while it's chicken's chilling out, pasta's on, pasta water is boiling. Just going to chop up this small onion. Garlic. And mushrooms. Okay, so into the same pan as our chicken. Onions. Get all that goodness off the bottom of the pan. In with our garlic. In with our mushrooms. Add in our cream of mushroom. Parmesan. Half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Put out pasta. Some flat leaf parsley. Add our chicken back. Okay, so there we've got our tagliatelle pasta, the chicken Alfredo. With obviously chicken's cooked in some garlic Italian seasoning. It's really nice. And we've got garlic, onions, mushrooms, some nutmeg. I've got a tin of mushroom soup, which works really well because I'm not a fan of cream anyway. So yeah, and obviously we've got some cheese in there, and we've got some flat leaf parsley in with the sauce and sprinkled on top. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. See you later guys, bye.